There are not too many people left who have not heard about Skyway. However, even those who know about it do believe that this is something not so real, fantastic and does not have anything to do with them. We will tell you about Skyway technology and its application, to make it clear that Skyway relates to all of us. What is Skyway? This is the transport system project based on the application of the special design of the rails, which are elevated, not on the ground, but above it. In fact, it looks like a subway, but not underground and overground. It is the solution that will efficiently solve the problem of transportation of people and goods across the globe. The existing transport system is the most dangerous invention in the history. It kills people, destroys the soil, and pollutes the air with heavy metals and toxic substances. Lifting the track structure above the ground will eliminate the collision of rolling stock with various obstacles and living beings, and will ensure minimum land acquisition for the road infrastructure. Transnet will become not only transport but also a communications network on which passengers, cargo, electric power and information will move efficiently, safely and environmentally friendly. Therefore, Transnet network will be so effective that will be able to recoup its creation already due to its versatility. Train transport is being developed in accordance with the requirements and standards of the UN, the European Union and the Russian Federation. The Ministry of Transport of the Russian Federation recognized Unitsky train transport technology as innovative and perspective, and the representatives of the Industrial Center of Import Substituting Technologies in Transport are coming to Ecotechno Park for the testing of the transport. The creator of this train technology, that is the basis of Skyway, is a scientist and inventor Anatoly Eduardovich Unitsky. Almost 40 years he worked independently. Now there are more than 170 constructors, designers, architects in Unitsky's team, and the staff of the enterprise is constantly increasing. There have been developed 4 types of transport: light, urban, freight, cargo and high-speed ones. Urban Skyway complex, that is the rail transport city flyover, a unibus and the transport infrastructure, including passenger stations. The passenger transport is mounted or suspended. High-speed Skyway complex, that is a high-speed intercity rail train transport flyover, high-speed intercity rolling stock on steel wheels, and the transport infrastructure, including passenger stations. Cargo Skyway complex, that is a rail train transport flyover, freight rolling stock, a unit truck and the infrastructure, including automated loading and unloading terminals. It is either suspended or mounted. Light transport, that is a unibike, a minimized suspended wheeled vehicle on steel wheels with the possibility of movement from the passenger's muscular strength, in addition to the onboard and external power sources. The primary objective for all of us is the completion of the construction of the demonstration and test complex of the Skyway technology, Ecotechno Park, and the implementation of the certification. Ecotechno Park is a functioning industrial model of the Skyway technology. It will represent the test sites of 3 types of transport and infrastructure complexes. At the end of September of 2016, in Berlin there was held the International Fair of Transport Technology and Transport Systems in Notrans, in which our company participated. At the exhibition, our company presented 2 Skyway industrial rolling stock prototypes, a unibus and unibike. At our stand, you could also see the motor wheel and a protection module that is presented to the consumer as a part of the intellectual fencing. The unique exhibits aroused great interest among the professionals in the field of transport and ordinary visitors. The Skyway exhibition stand has become one of the most popular at the exhibition in Notrans 2016. According to the experts from different countries, all our technologies are innovative and not copies of other ones. In Chris Principe's opinion, he is an American financial expert and the owner of the magazines Financial IT and FinFuture, Skyway technology can become a kind of internet of the transport sector, combining not only the advanced engineering achievements but also the important instruments of influence on the social sphere, improvement of the financial situation of citizens by reducing the cost of freight and passenger traffic. The exhibition InnoTrans 2016 was marked by a number of important meetings, in which the desire to cooperate was expressed by the representatives of several large companies operating in the market of transport services. According to Deputy Director General for Skyway Development, Viktor Baburin, the interest was shown by the representatives of the Indian Railways, the delegation from Qatar, Germany, the Philippines and other countries. As a result of the exhibition, one can say with full confidence that the transport world has welcomed Unitsky's heavenly roads, and soon the Skyway roads will be built around the world. A number of international organizations have noted the novelty of transport solutions and the reasonable benefits of the string transport. The technology has already attracted the interest of lots of Russian and foreign corporations, government officials, entrepreneurs, large investors, financial groups, funds and states. The Australians have become one of the pioneers in this field. Rod Hook, former head of the Department of Transport and head of the RHA, initiates the targeted projects. To introduce the technologies to the world market, it was decided to finance the project by crowdfunding. To do this, we set up special platforms, one of which is Skyway Capital. Thus, each investor becomes the co-owner of the company by acquiring his or her own shares in the company at a large discount. To implement the Skyway project, the work has been divided into 15 stages, from project documentation stage to the stage of the demonstration of the test specimens to the customers. There was calculated the plan of transfer of shares to cover the implementation costs of each stage. The higher the serial number of the stage, the lower is the size of the discount, with which one can get a share of the company. Since the implementation of each subsequent stage increases the market value of the technology, reduces the risk and accordingly reduces the size of the discount, which is the venture risk premium or the bonus for the risk. The total number of people participating in the Skyway project is more than 300,000. Welcome to join too. Become involved into the largest transport corporation, which technologies will soon change the world for the better. Invest in the Skyway project and become the co-owner of the technology, the implementation of which will start in the near future. It is important for everyone